guys, let me turn this air conditioner down a little bit. We are about to be on our way to Newport, Rhode Island, our favorite place. We're going for a little romantic getaway. I have no idea what we're doing today besides we're going to, I think it's, what is it, Showfish? Is it Showfish or Snowfish? I don't know, it's in Gurney's for lunch, and then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. But then the rest of everything, I have no clue because Frankie's planning kind of a surprise for me. I don't know where we're staying. I have no clue what we're doing for dinner. I do know we're going for like a little beach walk, but I'm super excited. Frankie's here. We are in a rental car because we needed to have one. We didn't have a car to drive because all our parents are using our cars, or their cars. But yeah, super excited, and let's go. So we got Dunkin'. I got Frankie some hash browns, and holy crap, we're going around a roundabout. Some hash browns and a breakfast sandwich. Dunkin' hash browns just hit different. Careful. Just slow. I'm recording this. I'm the worst backseat driver, but Frank's the worst actual driver. Okay, I don't want to say that. He's not the worst driver, but you know, guys, ladies, I don't know, anyone. You ever drive with somebody that like doesn't know how to brake a little bit ahead of time? They just brake right when it's like do or die, like now or never. You're either gonna eat somebody's rear end or you're gonna, you know, make it. Anyways, we just got on the mass bike. We're heading to Newport. 1 hour and 57 minutes if all goes well. We're eating hash browns, and I got a Dunkin' coffee. I got my typical order that I've been getting for years. All of a sudden everybody's on the blueberry train, and I hate to be a coffee hipster because it's literally Dunkin'. But blueberry iced coffee was my go-to order because my mom used to get it when I was in elementary school, and I thought it was so good, so I would get the blueberry. She would just get blueberry iced with a splash of cream. I get a cold brew with blueberry, 1 pump of French vanilla swirl, and oat milk. It's fire. But yeah, I got that, and I got Frank a refresher. I don't know why I keep talking about Dunkin', but it's just so good. And I'm so excited to try this restaurant. I feel like it's gonna be really bomb. I also didn't show you guys my outfit, but it's this cute little dress from Aritzia, and then I have this little like throw over, oh my god, white shirt. Frank's literally changing in the middle of the street. But we are literally 2 minutes away. We just pulled off on the side of the road so that way he could change, so we didn't like pull into valet at like Gurney's and literally have to have Frank strip in the car. But I don't even know where when our hotel check-in is, so I assume we have some time to kill.
I think it's pretty close. Well, after we go shopping, we can just finally go check in and relax before we go to.
Do you know when our check-in is? Probably like 3?
I think it's 3 or 4, that's why we have time.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're almost there. And I'm so excited!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high.
Just parked in downtown Newport. I had an outfit change. It's windy. I know it does. This weather is really nice.
Yeah, honestly, it's nice.
We both have to pee again. But we hung out a little bit near Gurney's, like sat on this little cabana and hung out. And now we're about to go shopping and then go check into the hotel. Holy shit, that's loud.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
I don't have a bucket list, but
even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, we are heading back to the hotel. I just got a really cute ring. Yeah, we're on our way back to the car. Is that the store? Is it up here? Yeah, I think it's right up here. Hey you guys, we have a big ass. This looks like the king lives in here. It's very, very big. And honestly, the decor is so sick. I literally feel like we're in London or something.
Yeah, that's
This
fine.
is so cool. There's TVs everywhere. There's a mini fridge. This huge ass tub. This is beautiful. This is officially our kind of vacation. We got wine, cheese, and everybody loves Raymond on the TV. The AC's cranked up. This guy just brought up the wine and cheese and passed out. What are you munching on?
Shalom.
Nice. Just got ready. I'm wearing this really pretty dress. I'm gonna show you. Let's see how the lighting's gonna be like this. This is my fit. It's so pretty. I love it so much. It's from Naked Wardrobe. I got it at Nordstrom. It's so cute. Frankie, do you want to show your outfit? Stop chewing your salami for 1 minute. White button down or a linen shirt.
Down from Aeropostale.
It's not from Aeropostale.
Pants from American Eagle.
They're not. His outfit's from Zara.
Actually, I think most of it is, yeah.
Yeah. You like these shoes?
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of things all over the screen. It's like you can barely see what you're filming. Like a lot of information. I mean, it's good and bad. That's for good, but you can't really see.
It's fine. You guys, we get in the car and I'm thinking, holy crap, I was about to put lip gloss on. And I was like, holy crap, where's my purse? And I realize my purse is nowhere to be found. Is this zoomed?
I don't know. I didn't touch it.
No, it's not zoomed. And I realized my purse is literally nowhere to be found. And I have to open this drawer for you. Hold on. There you go. And I'm like, oh my god, did I leave it on top of the roof? Is it in the hotel lobby? I went to the bathroom in the hotel lobby right before we left.
Why is it this person?
Did I leave it there? And so I called the front desk guy, and he's so nice. He like gave us his like personal number to call. And he was like, so it's not in the restroom, it's not here on the counter. And there's only us and this like cute little old man when we walked into the lobby. So it's not like, I didn't think anyone stole it. It's a tiny boutique hotel. So I really did not think anyone took it. This man was so nice. He was like, hold on, let me go get the housekeeper. I can check in your room for you if you'd like, just to put your mind at ease. I'm like, yeah, we don't need it or anything, but like, if you could just check. And they went up to check. He like described it to me and everything, and it's there, thank God. He was like, yeah, I'm just glad so you guys can enjoy your evening, like just to put your mind at ease that, you know, we didn't misplace it. So thank God. I know that's like a random tidbit, but I was freaking out for a second. And then Frankie and I couldn't find where we were going, and the directions here are very confusing. So everything was just like a little bit whew for a minute, but now everything's all set. We're almost there. We're 8 minutes away. And the purse is there. We found our purse. We're good. There.
Lighthouse.
Is the lighthouse there? There we go. I wish I brought my tripod. It's just of our butts.
I'm Allie.
Yeah.
Hi. To take photos of this. That was unbelievable. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god. My
look
heart's
behind
pounding
you.
for
Oh
you
my
guys.
god.
Good to meet you in real life.
Yeah, thank you. I think that worked out like
Oh,
weirdly,
I'm
like
sweating
really good.
for you
Yeah, I
guys.
know. I was just like so. It just was. Yeah. It's the only time I've ever done it. So it's like, what am I like?
That was beautiful.
Did it work? It worked out good. I know. I like wanted to make sure you were ready, so I'm like kept like okay.
Well, I said, you can't see shit behind the bush.
Oh my god, that was
Yeah.
like so
I
scary.
was really scared.
Yeah, I know. I just ended up.
Freaking spoiled.
I just had to go.
walk by.
No. I think no. I think that was better. She had no idea. I don't think she did. It makes sense that a photographer's here, so it didn't. It was fine.
Congratulations.
Oh my god, thank you. Yeah. No, I think it went well. I think it
Yeah.
did. And then I think you did have like the perfect like view.
This opening
Oh, I'm
was
excited.
so...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was nice. I just said that spot there, but I didn't know where you were gonna.
Yeah.
I-
you helped-
I didn't
you
know where
helped
you
me out
were-
a lot.
I didn't know where you were gonna be.
She did because they came early
We
too.
came
just
over
to check.
because I just I'm not going to see what it's.
Because he didn't. I didn't want him to get
I had no idea where to go or anything. No, it's the first time. Like I say, this afternoon we came early. We came early to see.
This is so cute. Did my camera get
I
it?
can't believe that some.
It's still
I didn't-
recording. You guys are engaged! Mom, she's been waiting this. Oh!
Good. Honestly, that might be a little bit better because it's crispier. There was a little like yesterday was a little.
You told them crispy, but they didn't do it.
It's my fiance.
Her brother are gonna go nuts.
My mom's gonna freak out, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Just me leaving our room. Frankie's already like halfway down the stairs. An engaged woman. This is our little balcony area. We're heading downstairs for breakfast. There's like a nice breakfast here in the hotel. What are you doing?
Hungry.
You hungry? You ready?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Okay, now we are.
Yeah.
I know, I saw Sephora. We're ready to walk around. We're gonna do some shopping, some exploring before we go to lunch. We're doing lunch at Moorings, the seafood place. Bless you,
We have
Terry.
2 full hours before lunch.
Okay. Oh, this weather is just perfect. It's so nice out. And we're so excited to...
Okay, it's so.
Wait, let me put my camera on this truck. We can all get in it.
Oh my! It's gonna blow away.
I would not.
Maybe
do that.
not.
Yeah, not just bought that.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really
Outfit change.
Wait,
Wait.
let's go.
Okay. And we're headed to lunch. We're going to a seafood place. We're so excited. This is my little outfit. This is Frankie's shirt. We're so excited. Oh my god, also you guys, I bought a Cape Cod bracelet because I was supposed to go to Cape Cod with my mom in a few days or like next week. But now that I'm not coming back to Massachusetts, we're not going. So it was crazy. We just like stumbled upon this little Cape Cod, this like jewelry store, and they were a Cape Cod jewelry retailer. So got a bracelet to match my necklace, and she was really sweet in there. So I'm happy. So excited for this food. I think we're gonna share a lobster roll and fish and chips between the two of us.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Watch out, you're dripping. Go here.
All right.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our
Well, we're
wings
on
to
our way
fly.
back. We are stopping for coffee at Mary Lou's. That lunch was so delicious, and then we just walked around the marina and looked at all the boats and took pictures. It was super fun. Then we walked back. It was kind of a decent walk, and then now we're stopping for coffee at Mary Lou's, and this town is super cute. Do you know what this is called? Some tiny little town in Rhode Island.
We looked at the pictures already.
Yeah. Oh, there goes my hair clip. But this was the absolute best 2 days. The best like 5 days of just being here at home. But honestly, even just the best 2 days like here in Rhode Island, here in Newport. Wouldn't you say, Cookie Bear?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I loved it.
I had the best time. It was like a dream.
So we already got the pictures.
Oh yeah, oh my god. So what we've been doing so far in the car is our engagement photographer actually already sent us the proposal pics. So we're not doing an engagement photo shoot per se. Like, I mean, I guess we could, but I don't think we need to at this point. We at least are just
gonna look as great as like that lighthouse area.
We're just gonna use our proposal photos as like our engagement photos. Because I mean that's technically the day you got engaged. Because I feel like not everybody who proposes has a professional photographer there. So like he thought that through and had that done. So like I don't necessarily think we need both. So what we've been doing is picking the selects for her to edit and do the final ones. And so she gave us a few different editing options, and then she gave us a ton of photos, and we're just going through like the pixie set and putting a heart on the ones that we like. And then we're gonna make our selections. I already chose 10 more than we're supposed to, so it was hard. But there's duplicates, so I want kind of Frank's opinion on like which ones out of those are the best. It's more like I feel like we should do the ones that like are like more standout, because we also got so many great iPhone photos and videos too. So it's like we want the ones that like our phones couldn't capture, because we still, even the ones that like, for example, she had us like he picked me up. I personally think the ones that your mom took of you picking me up are better. Like it just like looked cuter versus like the ones on that camera, versus there's so many other good ones that she took that were just so good, that are like classic. Some of them were like more of like the cheesier like holding out the ring poses, but it's still like I want those pictures, you know? Like maybe that I won't post it on Instagram, but like I want it in my own like photo whatever album. I don't even know. Like I think I want to make a physical album. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be super fun for us to look at and stuff and go through. But we're going, like I said, to Mary Lou's, which is like one of our old favorite coffee shops. And I don't know about you, but I'm feeling sleepy right now. So I think it will be very helpful. We woke up so early today for no reason. I like couldn't even contain my excitement. I woke up at 6 a.m. being like, no, I literally woke up at 5:30, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so we need this coffee. Okay, real quick to end off the vlog, let's do a quick little Mary Lou's cheers. Because this boy's about to die.
Wow.
Cheers. To our engagement. Hello. To our engagement.
To this.
Oh. What's better, our engagement or this ring? Or I mean your coffee?
Man, I don't know. This is insane. Like you can't even see how big it really is. But
it's literally bigger than my head, and I have a huge head.
The Super Lou Oreo Cookie Monster.
This is insane. And I got
had this in years.
the peanut butter wonderful. So good. Well, we're off.
I literally asked if they had merch.
He wanted to get a hat.
They're like, no, we don't sell those.
Well, we're off. We're going back home. Bye to the best trip ever. Huh?